Okay, Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum and good evening. So today we would like to continue for our resort management subject. So we will continue with chapter 9, that is resort operation. Okay, so after you learn about the resort marketing and you have learned how to promote your own hotel, so now it's time for you to operate your own hotel. Okay. So we only have 4 learning outcomes for this chapter. So first and foremost is design. Second is operation itself. Third is retail. Fourth is eco-lodge. Okay. So I will go one by one to all these learning outcomes. So we are starting with design. Okay. Because in order for you to operate a good hotel, you have to have a guest. In order for you to have a guest, you have to attract the guest. So how you want to attract the guest? So design is the answer. Okay, so how you want to design a hotel so that it will be operate properly. Okay, so introduction on resort management. Okay, so just like I said before, what is the main difference between hotel and resort? People going to hotel because they want to experience something that not exist in hotel. For example, nature. They experience that are in the arm of the nature. They experience where we are on the beach. They experience that we are on the snow. Mean all these things is very near toward nature. Okay, that why the exterior experience is important for a resort. It's not only interior. Exterior play an important role. For example, the landscape itself. Okay, so this is, for example, you can see in the picture, this is one of the luxury resort in Ipoh. So because of the landscape behind of the resort looks so calm, looks so beautiful, the vista looks so nice. That's why this resort is a luxury resort and one of the valuable resort and expensive resort in Malaysia. Okay, so all the exterior design of the resort is done by the landscape architecture. They are the one who play an important role to design the exterior of the resort. Okay, so a customer usually prefer a resort which give the feeling of being in the arm of the nature. So just like I say in the previous chapter, the more your resort near toward the nature, the more rare and valuable of the resort that you have. Because first, people cannot duplicate. Second, the element of the nature only exists at your place. Okay, so people will cannot duplicate 100% the experience at your place that near the nature and turn it into something else that's similar. No. So this is the things that important for a resort, the nature element itself. Okay, so we will go to the next slide. Okay, so this is the general tips how you want to design your resort. Okay, so there are so many themes for a resort: luxury resort, nature resort, beach resort, snow mountain resort. But this is the general design tips. Okay, ignoring all the themes. Okay, so first and foremost, utilize innovation in tiles. Okay, because tiles is playing an important role to create space for your resort and also will create the environment. Okay, so if you go for more traditional kind of resort, then you use wood tile, something like that. If you go for more sophisticated, elegant, then you use maybe white marble. Okay, that will evoke a luxury feeling. Okay, so second is quality bedding and linen. So bedding and linen is important for a resort because people want to sleep in a comfortable way. Okay, that's why you have to give a more practical design. It's not only have to be too fancy, but have to be practical. Okay, practical mean it comfortable, easy to clean, and easy to get, and also can be maybe comfortable for the customer itself. Okay, so second is consider how provide flexibility of the room. Okay, some of the resort is not flexible. For example, a room that can accommodate children, but and also can accommodate OKU is a good example of a resort. Okay, so how you want to accommodate and become a world class resort if you cannot really accommodate all kind and range of people. For example, the resort right now also implement OKU friendly, implement children friendly, and also a family kind of room. So that is the proof of the flexible kind of room. Okay. Fourth is optimize internal space by using glazing and decorative sliding screen. So this is the new trend right now. People want to save space. Okay, instead of using the typical kind of door that will take a lot of space since you have to pull and push the door. Now you are going for a sliding door. It is more space efficient rather than a typical kind of door. Okay, so fifth is choose a color palette that are not trendy. Okay, we want to, because this kind of trend only stay for a kind of period of time. For example, this year the color trend is green, but the next year the color trend will be different. And if you want to go for a trend, you have to paint the wall of your hotel so many times, and it is waste of money. That's why you have to choose a color palette that are elegant, suiting, harmonious, and reflect the brand image of your own hotel. For example, if Air Asia, they go for red. Okay, something like that. Okay, so six is ensure easily accessible of international power outlet. This is one thing that are easily easily misunderstand and maybe not really put a really high important for a hotel manager, but actually our hotel accommodate all kind of people, international people from all the countries. So all the power outlet must be flexible and universal. Okay, and style on 7 is stylish and clever integration of room amenity in reduce ongoing maintenance. Okay, so for example, you can see this building that is eco launch. Okay, we are using something that from nature. So first we are saving the maintenance itself because we are using the nature. Second, we are cutting the cost because we are also using the nature and easily accessible or available kind of material. Okay, so 8 is use texture in fabric and finish to create contrast and also comfort. Okay, this is easy. uh, Instead of using just a single color, you can use a texture in fabric. Okay, so 9 is integrate local culture because we want to create uniqueness. For example, in Malay, then we go for songket. If snow mountain, what is the culture? Maybe using using carpet that use the fur of the animal, bear, something like that, because we want to create an uniqueness. That's why we want to integrate the local culture in the decor and design detail. Okay, we want to build a character from the culture itself. If Malay character, then it may be harmonious, something like that. Okay, keep the design simple. Okay, do not overdo the design because it will cause people to feel your room is cluttered, full of clutter, messy. Okay, we want to keep the design simple, sophisticated, elegant, and it will evoke the luxury feeling. Okay, so second is we go for operation. So there are tips on operating a hotel. So if we want to be, this is general tips, because all the hotel have their own SOP, standard operating SOP, standard operation procedure. So we cannot put, okay, this is the only way how to operate. No, so there are a lot of way how you can operate the hotel, and this is the only basic way how you want to operate a hotel. Okay, so obviously first, use technology. Okay, if you do not really use the technology, you are already ketinggalan zaman. Okay, that's why you have to use technology, because first, it helps to improve the result and efficiency of your task. Maybe before this you use only handwritten note, so right now you save all the thing in computer, so it will be more efficient. Okay, so and also it also can reduce the workload, and we will need less people. If we need less people, then we save a lot of money. Okay, so second is manage the hotel staff by delegating appropriate tasks and rewarding them. Just HR or human resource is important for a hotel, because we are the these human or these people are the one who will talk and will face with the customer. So if you have a good human resource, then it will be, you are giving a service to them effortless, okay, in the best quality. But if you do not delegate appropriate tasks to them and give a good practice toward them, they will not giving the service in a good way or quality way. Okay, and how we want to motivate them to do good in their job, rewarded them, give bonus, give good salary, give tips to them. Okay, and lastly is understand the hotel brand and communicate the message through marketing. Marketing is the most essential things for a hotel. Before you operating the hotel itself, you have to market, because if there are no guests that come to your hotel, then the operation system in your hotel will be not be conducted effectively. Okay, so you need guests, and how you want to get the guests, then you have to do the marketing itself. Okay, so a good resort manager recognize the hotel brand and promote it to the target market segment. Okay, so if your target market segment is the luxury people, then how you want to promote toward them. Okay, you have your own strategy. Okay, so I will end here, and we will continue in the part 2. Okay, thank you so much.